Cryptocurrency has been a topic of intense debate since its inception in 2009. While some people believe that it is a revolutionary technology that will change the world, others are skeptical about its long-term viability. The question remains, is crypto here for good or for bad? In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of cryptocurrency to try and answer this question. One of the most significant benefits of cryptocurrencies is that they are accessible to anyone with an internet connection, regardless of their financial status or location. This makes it easier for people to participate in the global economy and engage in financial transactions without the need for intermediaries like banks. For many people in developing countries, this could be life-changing as they may not have access to traditional banking services due to high fees, lack of documentation, or geographic barriers. Moreover, cryptocurrencies can help empower individuals by giving them control over their financial transactions. Unlike traditional financial systems where banks and other intermediaries have significant control over transactions, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and allow users to take ownership of their assets. This can help promote financial inclusion and increase financial literacy among people who may not have had access to these resources before. Cryptocurrencies can provide financial inclusion for the unbanked population in developing countries who lack access to traditional banking systems. In many countries, the banking infrastructure is weak and people do not have access to basic financial services like saving accounts and loans. Cryptocurrencies can help solve the problem by allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate in the global financial system. By removing the need for intermediaries like banks, cryptocurrencies can lower transaction costs and enable small businesses to participate in global trade. Cryptocurrencies are based on blockchain technology, which provides greater transparency and accountability. The blockchain is a decentralized public ledger that records all transactions in a tamper-proof manner. This transparency can help prevent fraud and corruption, which are major problems in many industries. For example, blockchain technology can be used to track the provenance of goods and ensure that they are produced in an ethical and sustainable manner. This can help build trust with consumers and promote more responsible business practices. Cryptocurrencies have emerged as a new asset class that offers investment opportunities to both retail and institutional investors. Unlike traditional investments like stocks and bonds, cryptocurrencies are not correlated with a broader market, which means they can provide diversification benefits to investment portfolios. Moreover, cryptocurrencies are highly liquid and can be traded 24/7, which makes them attractive to traders who seek to profit from market volatility. The emergence of decentralized finance has also created new investment opportunities such as token yield farming and liquidity provision, which offer high returns to investors who are willing to take on more risks. Cryptocurrency offers many benefits, but they also come with several risks and drawbacks. High volatility, security risks, and environmental concerns are some of the challenges that the cryptocurrency market needs to address to gain wider acceptance and adoption. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, which means that their value can fluctuate rapidly and unpredictably. This volatility can make cryptocurrencies a risky investment, especially for those who do not have a high risk tolerance. The price of cryptocurrencies is influenced by various factors such as market sentiment, regulatory changes, and technological developments, which can lead to sudden price swings. For example, the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, dropped by almost 50% in May 2021, wiping out billions of dollars in market value. While cryptocurrencies offer greater security compared to traditional financial systems, they are not immune to security risks. Cryptocurrency exchanges and wallets have been targeted by hackers who have stolen millions of dollars worth of cryptocurrencies. In many cases, these thefts have occurred due to lack of security measures or user errors such as weak passwords or phishing scams. Moreover, since transactions are irreversible, there is no recourse for victims or theft or fraud. This can lead to a loss of trust in the cryptocurrency market and harm its reputation. The mining process used to create new cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin requires a significant amount of energy. The process involves solving complex mathematical problems using high-powered computers, which consume large amounts of electricity. According to the Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index, Bitcoin mining consumes more energy than some countries such as Argentina and the Netherlands. This energy consumption has led to concerns about the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies, particularly in light of the urgent need to reduce carbon emissions and combat climate change. So, is cryptocurrency here for good or for bad? The answer is not clear-cut. While crypto offers many benefits, it also has its drawbacks. Ultimately, whether crypto is here for good or for bad will depend on how it is used in the future. If cryptocurrency is used responsibly and regulated appropriately, it has the potential to revolutionize the financial industry and bring financial services to those who are currently underserved. However, if it is used for illegal activities or is left unregulated, it could become a tool for criminals and a threat to the stability of the financial system. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.